everyone, given the factor of 2x plus 3, we're going to find the value of a for the polynomial 2x squared plus the quantity of 3a minus 1 times x minus 15. I'm going to use two different methods here. The first method is a setup, and you have to do a little bit of mental math, but we have 2x squared plus 3a minus 1 times x minus 15. Now I'm going to set this up with my factor of 2x plus 3. Now since my first term is 2x squared, I'm just going to let this be x plus some b. I'm using b because we already used a. So simplifying this right hand side, this is going to give you 2x squared plus 2bx plus 3x plus 3b. All right, and the only other thing I want to do is factor out this x. So that's going to give me 2x squared plus 2b plus 3 times x plus 3b. And then what we're going to do is equate coefficients. Let me move this over just a bit. So I'm recopying this real quick. All right, so basically equating coefficients means our x squares already match up. We already have 2 equals 2. Now for our x, this is our x. So we're going to have 3a minus 1 equals this part of the x, which is going to be 2b plus 3. And then for our constants, we're going to have negative 15 equals this constant 3b. So right away we can solve for b. B is going to equal negative 5. All right, since b is negative 5, then all we have to do is substitute it back into our equation to get a. So we have 3a. I'm just going to move that 1 over. 2 times negative 5 plus 3. I'm going to go ahead and add this 1 here. So this is going to give me 3a equals negative 10 plus 4. This is going to give me 3a equals negative 6. So a equals negative 2. So there's our a. That's called equating coefficients. You have to do a little bit of mental math to set this up, though. All right. The other way is to know that if we have a factor of 2x plus 3, you set this to 0. We're going to solve for x, and you can get negative 3 and then divide by 2. And we're going to use the remainder theorem. That means everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put this in. If it's a factor, then when I substitute this in, it'll equal 0. So let's do that. We're going to have 2 times negative 3 divided by 2 squared plus 3a minus 1, and your x is negative 3 halves, and then minus 15, and we set it to equal 0. So let's see what we get here. This is going to be 2 times 9/4. All right, plus, let's take away the plus for now. Let's just distribute this. This is going to be negative 6, negative 9. Sorry about that. Negative 9 divided by 2, a, and this part here is just going to be plus 3 halves. Then minus 15 equals 0. All right, so I'm going to keep this here. We have negative 9 divided by 2a. I'm going to move this over. 2 goes into 4 2 times, so that's going to be 9 halves. It's positive, so now it's not negative. Subtract minus 3 halves, add 15. So let's see what we get. Negative 9 divided by 2a equals, this is going to equal negative 12 divided by 2. That's negative 6 plus 15. All right, so that's going to give you negative 9a negative 9/2 a equals, this equals 9. So basically, you're just going to get, when you cross multiply, you're going to get a equals negative 2. So that's the other method. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.